Hi, this is Ed Wilburn, Executive Vice President at FULLY Mortgage. I'm here today to bring you some very important information if you're a realtor. FULLY Mortgage is an SBA-approved lender for the Paycheck Protection Program, and realtors qualify. In a moment, I'll be introducing you to Juan Pigarina, one of our PPP loan specialists here at FULLY Mortgage. He's going to tell you not only how you're going to qualify for this loan, but also how to apply and how FULLY can make it quick and easy. So here's Juan.
Thanks, Ed. So like Ed was saying, realtors can apply for the PPP as self-employed individuals or independent contractors. You use your 1099 income, which you can calculate by finding it on the line 31 of your 1040 Schedule C. You take that, you divide it by 12, then you multiply it by 2.5, and that's the amount of your loan. Now, the great part about this loan is that it's fully forgivable, meaning if you qualify and you apply for forgiveness, you don't have to pay it back. So apply at the link above and we'll get processing your loan straight away. We can do it quickly and it's free of charge to you. So please apply. Thanks.